Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Porsche of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have the 2018 Porsche 718 Cayman S. Oh God, does that sound good. 18-way seats, Alcantara, shift knob. Oh, wireless charging. Oh, this thing is sweet. All right. Anything? Sun visors on a Porsche? Let's go for a drive. Let's try driving this like a CGT. Oh, no throttle needed. Keep going. Alright, so, start out. Purist Porsche fans hated the 718 because it went to a flat 4. Listen, I just care about how they drive. Does it sound as good as the previous flat 6? Not really. Does it still have an awesome sound to it and a ton of character? Yes, it does. Would I still own one? Yep. Of course, you want the flat 6, they offer the GT4, the GT4 RS now, the GTS 4-liter. So you got options. Alcantara steering wheels are the best dimension ever. Matched with an Alcantara shift knob. Oh, this is perfect. Wow. And that's where the flat 4 argument really comes into play. because there is nothing like the power delivery of a turbo anything. This thing still revs out to 7,500 RPM for a 4-cylinder. Plus. Huh. Throttle's touchier in sport. That's pretty weird. Downshift. Rev matching for you. You know, I was team flat 6, and I still kind of am. I think between these two, oh, I can't even say that. No, because I will say I love the sound of flat 6. The 981 GTS I drove is probably my favorite Cayman I've driven. But this comes very, very close. This puts up a very good fight. And Porsche's not one to mess up too often. So if they put a flat 4 in this thing, there's reasons for doing so. And I'll put it to you this way. Even if they're forced by the government to downsize motors, Porsche's not going to lose this customer base because of it. So they're going to do everything in their power to make these smaller engines as good as they can. So that just proves to you it's going to be a good car, and they have to make it good, because on paper a flat 4 sure does sound like a downgrade, but in practice, not so sure. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.